Okay, let me quickly show you on how you can get access to Google Flow for 12 months for absolutely free. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. If you check my account right now on Gemini, you can see that I'm using Pro. So this is something I've tested and it's working for me right away. Okay, this is how you can get to do it. Go to your browser. Basically I'm using Chrome right now. I'm going to be leaving the link that you can get to use, that you can get access to this interface right away. Okay, you can see Gemini student plan for 1 year at not cost. You can see study with Gemini and get unlimited upload for your own class material, study notebook, interactive visualization, and Gemini Live with a free of charge student plan. You can even unlock higher usage limit up to 400 gigabyte storage and video generation with Gemini only or for 1 year. This is very good, guys. You can see Gemini Omni claim your student plan at not cost. You can still turn your knowledge into understanding, learn your way with personalized studies tools. You can see there's a bunch of materials and bunch of equipment, like a bunch of tools you can make use of this. Okay, so to get started is very simple and easy. You can see ready to level up your learning. Claim your 1 year Google AI Plus student plan today at no cost. So what we just need to do right away is to click on claim a student plan at no cost right away. Just click on it and it's going to take us to a new interface. Basically right now I've claim my own and I'm going to guide you on how you can get to do it. Okay, you can see right away, you can see Google AI Plus at no cost for 12 months. You can see monthly it costs 7,700 for 1 month, and you are going to get this for absolutely free for absolutely free for 1 month right away. So you just click on get offer. Okay, click on get offer. You can see verify student status. You will be redirected to SheerID to verify your student status. Right. Okay, just click on continue. Okay, so let's wait for. Basically I won't be able to claim this because I have already claimed my own. You can see my account is in Pro already. You can see what you just need to do is very simple and easy. Provide your country, educational institution, your first name, last name, your date of birth, your email, and click on verify status right away. And after you are done, they will ask you to attach, like you need to attach your payment method, like how do you want to get paid, and make sure at least 100 naira will be inside that card, the card they are going to be making use of. Just make sure all the naira is there so that the verification is going to be very easy. They will refund your money, and that is how simple and easy it is to get access to Google Pro for 1 year for absolutely free right away. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys in this video description so that you guys can practice so that you can go and claim your Google Free. This offer is basically for students alone. Okay, so if you're not a student, you can get access, but there is a way you can also get access to his. If you want me to make a separate video on that, just let me know. Okay, so that's how simple it is. I can't proceed with this because I have done my therapy. You can see right away my account is in Pro right away. Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you have any question, go down in the video description, go down in this video in this video comment section to write your opinion about this video. Thank you very much for watching.